about to catch us some bait.
Okay, so what we're doing is, this is our first pass. We're trying to figure out the drift. See which way the boat is drifting. And we are trying to use the vertical jig for the second time.
Caught that little undersized grouper last time on the first drop, but it was too saucy that day, and it was making my tummy queasy, so we didn't stay out very long. So today it's fairly calm. It's actually a really nice over. Oh yeah, I just got a little raindrop too. From the sun. It rains from the sun here in Florida.
You got something. Big old piece of bottom.
Oh my god.
Oh, big old snapper. Holy shit. Get him inside the boat before he falls off. Dang, that's a nice mangrove snapper right there. Hell yeah. Good job, babe.
Yeah. That's my biggest fish yet.
That's a freaking heifer mangrove snapper.
Here comes the rain. Woo! I love it here when it rains. How cool is this? We had to cut our fishing trip short because of this storm right here. Look at the water. It doesn't even look like water. From all the rain just hitting it, it looks like it's, yeah. That's so cool. Wow.
Get a 5-minute clip of this. Gotta get it to where you can see that.
This storm is intense. making ceviche again. I got it all chopped up and we're gonna try it a little bit differently with some mango in it and some avocado I still gotta chop up. And out here, Donnie's manning the grill. What you got going on?
Cooking.
Let's see the spread.
Okay. Your steak's done. This steak's almost done. Asparagus is...
Chuck eye steak, asparagus, and then we got some let's flip this over. Garlic, parmesan, and basil seasoned buttered, and capers that are gonna go on the steaks. We should just put the steak right in that skillet and mix it around.
I'm gonna pour it over the...
Oh yeah. Smells amazing. Yum. I gotta get some fish in there.
It's good.
The sweetness of the mango.
This weekend?
Yeah, we can do it.
Indeed, you want papaya.
I need to do
Indeed, you do. When you start your job, you immediately get your short list of quality candidates.
There's a little flounder in
it.
there.
Those are better stuff. Yeah.
Look at this little thing. He's so cute. Aw, he's spitting at me. Should I put him back in or?
Flounder, yeah, right.
Oh, it's not flounder. Triggerfish.
Yeah, definitely.
Keep him in here or throw him back? It's your lucky day, buddy. What about the needlefish?
It's good sized fish. I mean, those are good mangrove snappers.
Nope. Oh, nope. Oh. Just out here doing our part, you know. Cleaning up the ocean. What'd you catch? Let's see.
Baby trout.
Aw, is it speckled trout?
Ooh, pliers. Barbs in there.
That was the first cast of that lure, wasn't it? He's purty. See you later. Get him. Get him. Huh? Oh, son of a bitch. Yep. Look at this dolphin. Holy shit. Wow! Yeah! Oh my god, yeah, I know he's got a pink belly. Wow!
They're so cool.
Yeah, maybe it's pregnant.
Yeah, maybe.
Follow the mangroves all the way along, or?
Now following this blue line to get right over there, and then we'll go in after. Which I think that is that island.
Straight
that we're
ahead right
going
there, yeah.
So I'll head straight over to the island, like right to that point, and then we'll cut around like
right over there. See the tallest canopy in the middle?
Yeah.
Head right to that. We'll get close to land and we'll follow it over.
Why do I need to be wearing my life vest?
Why do you need to be wearing your life vest?
So I don't touch the bottom and kick the dust up. Right?
That's correct. Go on in.
It's so cold! Oh my god. So we're in this little lagoon, as you can see, mangroves all the way around.
I want you to get in with me on this one.
Yeah, I will. The only way to get in is this way right here. Well, this boat just came in, went over there, somewhere, turned my head around, and they're gone. They vanished into the mangroves. So we're gonna go try to find out where they went.